from China. I'm Joanna. This episode, I will introduce our high-speed disperser for you. Let's go and have a look.
The disperser is used for coating, paint, ink, pigment, and for all wet chemical products. The speed can adjustable from 0 to 1450 rpm. The powder raw material could be dissolved fast into the liquid, make final products mixing very evenly. We have the tank fix system. This one is using handwheel type. Also, we can make bell type, chain type according to different needs. For safety system, when tank not in the right position, the machine cannot run. Also, we have the limited switches for up and down. This is flow type for small and middle volume handling. We also can customize plant flow type for big capacity need, like 3,000 liter, 5,000 liter.
Okay, that's all. If you like our video, please don't forget to follow us. We are Plant and Chemical Machine.